Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to archive old mail in Gmail. So, let's start. Already, I log into my Gmail account. Now, I will archive all of my inbox mail. For archive your inbox mail, at first, select specified mail, or all mail. At a time, we can select all mail. After select all mail, in primary folder, then click on archive. Confirm bulk action, and click on OK, for archived all selected mail. As same as, we can archive our all mail from inbox in Gmail. Confirm bulk action, and click on OK, for archived all selected mail. I archived all mail, and there is no mail showing in inbox. For showing all archived mail, go to the All Mail folder below. Here we can see all archived mail. If you want to move archived mail into inbox, then select Mail, and click on Move to Inbox options. Now, go to Inbox, and we can see all selected mail is showing my inbox again. I hope you already earned clear concept about mail archiving. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.